To download the software, Arduino PLC IDE software, go to the official software website and choose to download the PLC IDE installer file. The software requires Windows 10 or a newer operating system version. Windows is the only operating system currently supported for Arduino PLC IDE. For installation, double-click on the exe file named Arduino PLC IDE installer, or right-click and select Run as Administrator. And follow the instructions shown on the prompted windows for the installation setup. The installation process for the software is pretty straightforward. Here are more information about installing the Arduino PLC IDE software. Now for Arduino PLC IDE software, you need to always log into your device and have an administrator privilege. The version of the Arduino PLC IDE installer contains the IDE and all the required drivers, libraries, and cores. At this step, you should be able to use the software and connect to the device and work with it. I will show this in the next video. However, if you encounter some issues when running and using the software, you might need to download Arduino IDE software as well. Please refer to the troubleshooting videos for more details.